It was for I gonna send TVGH, message or like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification, no? So that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. It was for I made it for campaign manager man working in Japan because on one neck say a campaign manager Bernard Abekasa or see na coupon see honorable Kennedy Japan on start is all jubility essence say on no Kennedy Japan will win the election enti be bien intimate sano na wakasa and no nebesi sa pepe nebebem na okasa no and I may take it time self I may go through comments na me say what are the people saying in the comment section? Now, as Omuyan and Debiano, or Kasasa, na sorry for a good comment section on man Vim. Say, yes, you are the prophet. Who now ye papa no? Who now ye siano? In you we trust, in you we believe. No El Bernard, no prophetic. Sir, I'm call comment back. I'm not start comment no. Nipa no say, can Japan be winning, and we better get connected now. Uko huni panu DP John Mahama never DP no. Na sa nipa no so no o trace no koni page eko check nyama o post ya utimi hu say eye NDC nyama nkwa. And this is something that we've been saying over and over repeatedly say. Yes. Sa nkrofo bebre na omo ye no can no vote for yi and nkrofo bebre a omo se omo ta honorable Kenichi no omo nya delegates. Most of them are NDC for mudi running NDC agenda. Na say NDC for omo ye opponents of MPP. Omo nya nka MPP bet na opposition move forever and ever. So omo na be supporting nipa omo pese obe lead MPP no. Then there's something wrong somewhere. The evidence has come now. Eti amu nothing said no, said kwa, Debbie. In every rumor no, there is some truth hidden somewhere. There's some truth perching somewhere. That is a kind of nature in which we find ourselves. For example, there's more news up next. Don't go anywhere.
In fact, Juma, it's here MPP. I am no can no vote from. Sure. After seeing Bawumia, sure. For Juma MPP. 7 MPP winning. No can no vote. Showdown. No. And the showdown is say Ayɛka and Kasakeke. Yenya Bibina, a real Safanana who said, you were to me, let me yet then at the BB. It's more than it's a campaigning against Osno MPP party no na baby bia nso na MP a owo ho support Dr. Bawumia no ye edumatia no I see enti okan kwes out ubo mi di ukọ okan kwes out a obi a opua ma okan kwes out ye call opposition
ubo some of us I see ye Juma especially na me wasembi wo na me se me kan see especially say Ken win primaries the Quran ye wa Juma bia sabi ye kodi NDC fo achi ye ti MPP se ye sa reverse ni ayesa ha party ni verses
na papa yi slot nya adwuma omo ha papa no na so ni nyina mu no nya hwe nya made ne betwa 2024 niema wo se ba constituency na the election ko fo ya fa matna so ha papa we etete na meduma etete papa ya sa
mama ka sancho wouldn't say BNI 4-year exams. For years, no more results am I. Go and find out. Go and find out. I got 3 days or so 1 week I'm here to Abani at Tuto Petromo. Now so when Jimmy Quentin I won't tell me into Abani.
Yeah.
You don't want to talk.
3 days to elections. 1 week to election, yeah, 2 years and 3 days to elections.
2 years no results am I. 2 years. 2 years.
Yeah.
Na yem promoting will be a
queen me say edu baby na ye disasa na ye mpanyifo no gwan
kind of and we still want to blame Bawumia for our failure. We want to blame Bawumia. Was Bawumia the president of Ghana? If you advise your boss and your boss say you don't go listen, will you beat him? Would you beat
when me say slot me say Bawumia release this slot enye djuma because not chairman to a committee in parliament in a interior defense Kennedy on money nye juma
Kennedy
for
Jaffa
security.
confidently start on his radio and said, sir, all the appointments in Ashanti region want to me and them, I want them. What stopped Kennedy from appointing people from Central region?
And no nana and that me say do no mu die no ne ko she bi so omo no nda sama na make am me constituency no.
Kennedy said that every appointment that was made in Ashanti region was made in his bedroom. My question is, what stopped him from appointing his people? Why is he blaming Bawumia now? Why?
When me say any poor mark your friend is saying Oma Kennedy Central region the constituency man the highest vote mpono me see bisa ne sadent na nipa kon ko ma ministerial position as to
Kennedy
crab boy
this street lights, Near Stella, and this street light contract, and the man. Do you know that how many times I personally had accidents on the motorway due to darkness? That we couldn't come out and say it because our party is in power. I crashed my Mercedes Benz A350 on the motorway. It bounced me. The next thing was story. Because it was dark. Because they had paid Kennedy Japan to fix the street lights. And nobody could tell him to do it. Anybody that lived on the Tema motorway should come and tell me. So from 2012 to 2024, 10 men ammonia street lights, motorway. I will wait. I will wait. That contract was given to his wife. From 2015 to 2024. That man ammonia street lights or Temamoto way. I'll wait. Why are you comforting? Why? And the accidents that happened on the motorway, Black Kennedy Japan, his wife, Stella, one of the contracts in the man. No. But has to go for it. You will charge the government $8 for this. Knowing very well said the Okoto is 50 cents. And you call yourself a smart businessman. Really. And you should give Ghana to this crazy motherfucker. This crazy lunatic. Huh? And the moment here was saying, this crazy lunatic. We should go and give Ghana to this crazy lunatic. To this crazy motherfucker. Huh? For what? For what?
Yes. I'm president for 4 years. And drill be our Ghana. We are man cooking. Man drill. Me music campaign. Me music. And therefore I don't owe you. So why tell your man? I'm president for 4 years. And drill be our Ghana. We are man cooking. Man drill. Me music campaign. Me music. And therefore I don't owe you. So why tell your man? I'm president for 4 years. And drill be our Ghana. We are man cooking. Man drill. Me music campaign.
Na pepe nya be krom ha e de nyansa ne di buman e de nyansa ne di buman so broni wa ma kwan de lady no ya alatanyin bibini o osan ye besia ya ma no kwan de on kasa wa parliament on no lead the whole party to the MPP ni NDC on no lead
mama wouldn't say British for the omunye yi mu o
na ye Ghana for yet na make na ye Ghana for yet them abani na Ghana for yet them Yen pen obi won yansa o wonim de no meti yenim no omboayen de bia ne yeyim ne de tan or tan yen kasa ne dey wo tutu we wo abrochire epede broni hu a wonyim hu de monkey broni hu a onji untum so tigana de ye ho tribal na ye teni ena ye sremuni aboafun bele awati abrochire broni hu no so otwemo se broni ye racist broni na la abrofo mpe asem hu de monkey wenyi hu de a chimpanzee awon broni hu wo for yonko ati o man Ghana mu na race e traba na oku won besi ayen Ghana fo ye abrofo anka won ye ma bibini kwa po fe ni na nsi Ghana ayen Ghana fo ye shuban ye say yes racist ye ayen Ghana fo ye modern racist ayen Ghana fo ye modern race traba na oku yen ena we ya wonani ena we ye yini ena we ye tani ena kanfo na ye nye dey ena kan no ye dan ye nsole nyankwan ye kwakonto kwan ye kutwa kwafo wontila na mo mbelezen 2028 Bawumia reba ye twie mu tan ye de ma Bawumia so ye tani na so be president antiment na Ghana na wetu o man Ghana na mo ayema wa bomma de twem je awon po de ye woni pebi wo kra wo de ye pamo free Ghana man
enkwasiafo no do so kra do de ye pam wan
ye pam kofo bi wo Ghana man na Ghana no timi gina o ye Ghana ejimi fo nkankan ya kanfo no fa ya yale ya kanfo akanfo fa ya yale tinimu yale akanfo fa Ghana yenko yenya ya akanfo ya ni yenye uni obi kasa ena Bawumia oye teni ena okofa teni aba ena teni dia we mu no ne yire kwa ye fulani ni oye wosin woni oye wo bele wo ye fun na woto na oye wasasema oye vice president na bani tanko tunu awumpo awu ba wa ko school
Don't for moment ya ni di asante twema
ni ye fulani ena ni fulani ena fulani fo no fulani fo amukum nipa fulani ni wabetwa wuti fulani ni ode wabefa wo yere abefa wo kunu yima yenhye nyansa na se nkura se kasa no is enough yenhye nyansa fulani fo wo po ye felsin yen wo ye fe wo twa en fulani fo mbesi afa ahwe won mese wo kata wo ho mese wo sie wo ho await we wo busu mati umba wo nyina wa se pimpinis wo de nam won pen na ye den wo de nam ebepe free fulani free wo kata wo ho sie akwacha pode ba wonu fusisisi do da ma akwa na sofo no wada eto ebe hye obi aroba awon no wo heaven won ko wondi kan fenko won ko poso be wu ma won nyame obe wuto Ghana mfinfi obe wuto Ghana mfinfi o so wo bule papa no da
ba fa da say wo kwacha fu anu wa pe etembi esisi ahye nufu na ase na wa be nufu na ye pio
on sa amede o wa nim de me platform no do me face one de biala no pa no betin ti nipa eno ye ten eno ye muslimi eno mosini eno be sisi boxes eno be abade eno be ye day eno be kire mbo from na de won ko malakanta o se makanta na wala wa dwen ye adwuma one no ko so bi won ko malakanta one no ko so bi ba we look at this man a so humble man so gentle. Look at the way Miss Papa no home, Mr. Bibi Beshamako, say, this man is too much. So gentle, in a woman besiafo, in a wow, penny. Can the employ a penny, put in a bassa? Can the nigger penny on a bray, a bobra, or Mukubisana was sinful, Mukubisa. Nigger penny, I could besiafo for the Edenam, and then the legal wife of Wongoka. The first wife for him.
Hey, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, first lady. Your voice, my pickle. About first lady. Oh, yes, she out of what is it? Stop him. About simple.
Okutambisa for three. Ne yire no tre. Kennedy, onu po pepenyi no. Ne yire mu tre. No wasala ena Bawumia o yere pepenyi mpo wala bebrebe ko yen surprise. No who I say you Christo ni ne. Pepe food or ma memro. One of my medal with me while bebre.
And check Christian a hypocrite. Christianity hypocrisy. What you put in?
Nearly cope. Bawumia MP won't fail or baby and metro near crope. What can I some guy na yala? What they what can try to papa into a tight and a yiri penny one who serum and a yiri penny no soon pieda. The yiri penny on pure was serum free order. But I can't know that he said she know become for papa won't be. Mama papa no hunton. Na delegate fun. Musun come on, no go to about bon. Musun come on, it's a central region. What the one about delegate for minimum central region was what one about my Bawumia. One happy trying to try one. It is a sian or down one agenda debi. In some work can't far Bawumia when natural one was central region. On no quar. Into central region delegate fun. Waste one up memupi. Waste one dream pi there. What best support Bawumia. What to Abama Bawumia. And that was a good news. And Mr. Kenya. Many. And I know for sure there. Wow, but 12 o'clock, Saturday, 12 o'clock. And Yambeya Jom na Bawumia. Wa Friday fala. We win fala. No competition. Obi intimi Jim Freening same. Why obe shim krana. Damun ko delegate for no so one to Abama Bawumia no. One so yet to Abani we are Jumedi one ehu. Jumedi bedi one. Obiala to Abama Bawumia no ne
I swear.
Penyanseni nimdini obia na dwin adwuma. Onye obia de na ko hospital wa papa ni trimu. Kennedy yes what na ko hospital wa papa ni to aye ni operation. Ba onye one papa ni tim. De geta. Na waka de geta la wata asa. Ba bro chiribehwe. Iye Bawumia no de camera be bobo Ghana homa ene obi wi ada ehu de camera da. Iye de geta libia.
Yes,
net na ufie na sika o bank o transfer sika fi o phone so they call straight to bank. One of the bay. Iye Bawumia de geta. What can they get ala yen ebi na anyen. Yet the Bawumia leba every child will take benefit in Ghana. Abrochi kofu ji benefit to abrochi. South Africa here and benefit all because of system is working. Ghana, our system will be working through Bawumia. Through Bawumia.
Yes.
And that kind of inclusive one can say now you're 10 or you're 10 if you Jimmy no belete. What's now baby na Bawumia 10 ko na ye peno. Ono na ye pe, ono na ye dono. Nyankopon timi fo bia so de shirobi. Nyame timi fo bia so de shirobi. Nyame nsira ye ni baby free. Nyame di nsira no otimi fo aboa so no de shiraw. Otimi fo ni pa so no de shiraw. Otimi fo bofo so no de shiraw. Nti se Bawumia reba onyi baby ni nsira no de free ba. Nyame na eyi nde ombe diga na ni 2028 no fe nsire bi na dum ye nyame ja man on fe mbreye no fe bedum yen nti wona wa ye wa bronsamfon wa ye pon wa begwa matna na efu owu ma obiala obewu ma obiala awa ye tene na kokowu na ko heaven ya bono ya fon ya gutu ya ti asase do ya sre body fache nti awu kun na ko heaven na ko tena Nyankopon na nchen na fa wo jimi no wombelete on fe free na Bawumia lala na okọ me da wasa
Piao! Good, yeah,